Microbes in beverages. During the production of alcohols, number of microbes are used. Here the yeast is used. Generally yeast is used for the fermentation or for the production of alcohol. So here the different type of alcohols are there. So the alcohols based on the concentration and based on the raw material and which type of bacterium or fungal members involving in the production of here alcohols. Here yeast is, we know the yeast is unicellular fungal member and eukaryote, and it is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for the fermentation of alcohols. In the alcoholic fermentation, molasses and barley malt and other raw materials are used for the fermentation process. So based on the raw material and microbe which is involving and the process, here different type of alcohols are there, and the concentration, here different concentrations are there. Here low concentrated alcohols, these are wine and beer. These are fermented from the fruit juices and barley malt. So these are having very less alcohol percentage. Why? Because these are here by distillation method. Here without distillation method and without distillation. And these high concentrated alcohols are produced in the with distillation method. Here generally the bacteria or here fungal member which is involving in the fermentation of alcohol, the maximum here 9 to 10% here or at least 12% of alcohol is present, and in these whiskey, brandy, rum, gin and vodka, so the alcohol percentage is more. So all these are produced by distillation method, and here different type of substances are used for the production of these alcoholic products. Here fruit juices like grapes or other fruit juices are used for the wine production. Next barley malt, cereals, wheat or barley, the barley malt is or malt sugar is used for the production of beer, and fermented cereals like rice, wheat, maize, bean, rice, wheat, maize, all these are here, these are used for the production of whiskey, and brandy also produced from the fruit juices, and rum from molasses. Here sugar components are present in this. Next gin, it is from rye malt. Rye is also one cereal plant. After the fermentation process, the gin is produced from the rye malt. Next vodka from potato. The potato starch is also used for the fermentation for the production of vodka, and all these are here alcoholic products. In this alcoholic products fermentation or production, here yeast is used, and sometimes here other bacteria are also used. Here common brewers yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So it is the yeast, brewer's yeast, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is common yeast for the it is used for the production of alcohols.